Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again on my new video. Today I will show you how to adjust temperature set points on Victoria Black Eagle machine. So this is temperature set points for Victoria Black Eagle machine. So first of all, I need to go menu, scroll, then temperature set points, tap, then scroll, tap here, group set point first, then scroll, tap, then scroll. Now 90.8, I will set 93.2, tap, then need to go second group, tap. I will set this 93.8, then scroll, tap here, second third group. I will set this 93.4. This is okay, now set. Then we need to go back menu, then scroll, then tap here, boiler set point. Now tap this boiler set point. I need to set this 93.4, tap, then go to second group, tap. Now I will set this 93.8, tap, then go to third group. I will set now this 93.4, then go to back home page. You can see now 93, 94. This little up and down become 93.5. This is now set temperature set points Victoria Black Eagle machine. I want to show you how my espresso calibration like a cream. See, timer also so good, 32 seconds, and my espresso also caramel, like a caramel. So guys, hope you like this video, and if you like this video, so please like and comment, and if you new here, so please subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum, see you in next video. Assalam.